Until now, we've witnessed the Queen, in a fit of rage against her kingdom's people, activate a machine to close the dam. Her anger led to the dam's collapse, shattering it completely. As a result, the people of her kingdom perished. The Queen fled the scene in a cart with her companion. Meanwhile, Baba Voss ventured deep into the jungle with Magra's 2 children, searching for his stolen goods and Magra's lost bag. He left Magra and the tribe's elderly doctor behind. The trio paused at a spot where Magra's son heard someone humming. Curious, they investigated and found a pile of scattered belongings, suggesting someone lived there. Since Baba Voss is blind, Magra's son described the scene. They decided to search the area, suspecting the resident might have their stolen items. Magra's daughter set off to explore and discovered her mother's bag. Suddenly, a strange boy attacked her, causing her to scream and faint. Her cry alerted her brother and Baba Voss, who rushed over. The boy then turned his axe on them, repeatedly trying to strike. When he cornered Magra's son, Baba Voss intervened, grabbing and spinning him, leaving the boy slightly injured. Touching him, Baba Voss realized the boy could see. He nearly killed him, but Magra's daughter stopped him, recognizing the boy as Boots, Gerla's son, true father of both children. Elsewhere, the Queen and her companion, after resting, returned to their cart only to find their driver missing. A search revealed he'd been murdered. A strange tribe appeared, attacked the Queen's companion, killed him and kidnapped her. Back with Magra's family, they reunited joyfully. Magra's daughter returned the bag to her mother and introduced Boots as their stepbrother, Gerla's son, and a new group member. He vowed to protect them. The tribe took the Queen to a silk-producing city and presented her to their leader, who enslaved her in his factory. Defiant, she warned him of her escape, but he tightened a rope around her neck, threatening death if she tried. As Baba Voss and his group prepared to leave, the doctor, who senses things without sight, detected the Witchfinder army approaching. They fled into the jungle. Magra and the doctor hid inside a large tree, while Baba Voss and the children fought the enemy bravely, wielding swords with Boots' help. They defeated the army. The doctor then revealed that Magra had escaped her grasp and fled. Shocked, the group wondered why. Meanwhile, Magra approached the Witchfinder army's general. As he drew his sword to kill her, she revealed a ring from her bag, its sound compelling the army, including the general, to bow. This unveiled Magra as the Queen's sister, making her the new queen. Boots, however, lied to the group, claiming he saw the general kill Magra and showing her bag as proof. Baba Voss, skeptical but convinced, mourned with the others. With no choice, they followed Boots, who knew the jungle well. Magra, now with the general, promised to share her past if he found her family. Boots led them to a cave, where he trapped them in a cage, admitting he couldn't trust them. As he left, the cage began descending. In the silk factory, the Queen, while working, spoke with an old woman. A guard beat her with a chain for talking, injuring her until she fainted. A flashback showed the Queen with her dying father, the king, who named Magra as the future queen, breaking her heart and fueling her resentment. Back in the present, Magra told the general this story, accusing the queen of selfishness. The general defended the queen, but questioned Magra's false death rumor. She explained the queen's deceit and her intent to capture Magra and her children. Trapped in the cage, Baba Voss and the others reached a cave and faced new attackers, chaining them again. The queen, regaining consciousness, confessed her royal identity to the old woman, who informed the leader. He seized her royal coin, a family heirloom. A woman, Boots' mother, approached the caged group, revealing Boots' violent past due to his sight being deemed a curse. She offered freedom if they killed Boots, who'd murdered innocents. Magra's daughter agreed. Boots' mother freed them and led them to a lift-like cage. Baba Voss stayed below to operate the lift's wheel, fending off cave attackers. The lift's ropes snapped, but Baba Voss climbed the shaft with his son's help, reuniting above. The Witchfinder army captured Boots and brought him to the general. Magra lied, claiming Boots as her son to save him. She demanded her family's location, but Boots lied, saying he didn't know. The general received news that the Silk City's leader demanded a high price for the queen's royal coin. He offered Magra and Boots a deal: help rescue the queen to join her kingdom. After torturing a messenger, he learned the Silk City's location and set out with Magra and Boots, promising to find her family. Baba Voss's group reached an open field near Jurla's city, marked by flowers but marred by a stench of decay, signaling danger. Despite hesitation, Baba Voss insisted on advancing. They sent Boots to scout the silk factory, where he reported back. The general stormed in, killing guards. The queen, with the old woman's aid, killed the leader and escaped. Reuniting with Magra, she admitted to destroying the dam, claiming divine punishment spared her. Disgusted, the general allied with Magra to dethrone the queen.